The Serbian armed forces have developed a remotely controlled unmanned ground platform designated Milos N, but known under its nickname of Small Milos. The primary use of that system is to support infantry and special units at distances of up to 800 meters. The UGV uses two weapons, a 7.62mm machine gun and a 40mm grenade launcher. The system is fitted with an opto-electronic system with day and thermal vision camera and a laser rangefinder. It is integrated with a fire management system which can, on the basis of measured distance to the target and chosen weapon subsystem, automatically assume necessary firing elements. The current vehicle autonomy is around 90 minutes, but tests are already in progress with a new battery package, which will enhance the autonomy and speed of the vehicle. Other planned modifications consist of fitting a larger caliber weapons, which would make the system an anti-armoured UGV. Other upgrades are smart functions that would provide small Milos, with automated movement, recognition and avoidance of hurdles and return to initial position, and of autonomous movement, namely to follow troops during their movement.